Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene Erere, a Nigeria-based artist. If you're new here and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on my video. So today's video is going to be about color wheel, and I'm going to be talking about the primary colors, the secondary colors, tertiary colors, and other color combinations such as the complementary color, analogous colors, and the neutral colors. But first guys, what is a color wheel? A color wheel is a cycle with different color sector that is used to show the relationship between colors. And in my previous video, I said I was going to be making use of the rotary set for the color wheel. But I'm not just going to be making use of the rotary set, I'm also going to be making use of a watercolor paper, a palette knife, brushes, and I'm going to be making use of the acrylic paint, which is a water-based color. So we're going to be starting with drawing of the cycles. So this is the rotary set I spoke about. This is the rotary set I spoke about. So we're going to be making use of this compass, this one that has a pencil on it. So I think I have to stand. So like I said, we're going to be starting with the cycles, drawing of the cycle before we proceed into painting. It's not that big. Okay. Let's go here since it's 10.5. I think I'm going to reduce this thing. Sorry guys, I'm going to be reducing. I'm not even going to be using the measurement. So guys, I'm trying to get the center of this paper. Anyway, so we're good. So I'm going to be starting with the first cycle, and I'm just going to draw using my compass. So this is just it. This is my first cycle. I hope it's clear enough. So this got bad. The first compass I wanted using got bad, so I had to join, like attach the other side that has the pencil lead to this pair of compass. So guys, we're going to be drawing the second cycle. I'm not going to be using any measurement, so I'm just going to go. Maybe I'll make it bigger. It's too big. It's too big. Let me get an eraser. Going to be erasing it. So guys, this time around I want my second cycle, that's the primary sector, the secondary sector instead. So I'm going to go, I think this is okay. Then the second cycle, tertiary. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. taking off the other one because the secondary, if I had used the other cycle, I just erased, that would be smaller, so I just wanted it to be proportional. So this is it. We have the first cycle. I hope this is clear enough. This is clear enough. I'm just going to move this closer. So guys, we have the first cycle for the primary colors, and the second cycle for the secondary colors, and the third cycle for the tertiary colors. So I'm just going to start by dividing my first cycle, which is the primary sector. I'm just going to divide it into 3 parts. I'm going to be using the letter Y, like letter Y division, so it looks like a Y. It's not going to be perfect at this point, it's not going to be perfect, but I'll try my best. So just want, it's okay. So we have divided this into 3 equal parts. Then I went ahead to do same for the secondary sector. I divided the secondary sector into 3 equal parts. I divided my tertiary sector into 6 equal parts. Because the tertiary colors are 6 in number. I just went on to mark the sectors by using letters. Here we go, we are done with drawing of the cycles. Next, we are going to pour out our colors into our palettes. We're starting with the primary colors, so we poured out blue, yellow, red. Here we have our water for washing our brushes and for mixing our colors. Then we're going to start now with the primary colors. Primary colors are colors from which all other colors can be obtained by mixing. So we're starting with the application of red, and red is one of the primary colors. Then we move to yellow, application of yellow on the color wheel, and yellow is our second primary color. Then we move over to apply our blue on the color wheel, and blue is the third primary color. The primary color contains the first cycle on the color wheel. When I apply my colors, I try my possible best not to smudge my colors. This is because I don't want my colors to mix with each other to give a different color. So I try not to paint out of any sector. So guys, we're done with the primary colors, the blue, red and yellow. Now we move over to the secondary colors. What are secondary colors? Secondary colors are colors gotten from mixing of two primary colors. Secondary colors include purple, green and orange, but we'll start by mixing orange, which is yellow plus red. Yellow plus red gives us orange. But when mixing your yellow and red, you have to mix them in equal proportion to give you a perfect orange color. Then next we are going to be mixing green, which is yellow plus blue. Yellow plus blue mixed in equal proportion gives you green, color green. So we go on by applying color green on the color wheel. Next is the last secondary color, which is purple, and to get purple you mix red plus blue. We go over to apply the purple on the color wheel. And here we go. These are the secondary colors, orange, purple and green. So guys, we move to tertiary colors. And tertiary colors are colors gotten from the combination of a primary color and a secondary color. There are 6 tertiary colors, but we go over to mix the first tertiary color, which is the red orange. And to get red orange, you mix red plus orange to give you a red orange color. Next is mixing yellow plus orange to give us yellow orange color, and this is the second tertiary color. We move on to the application of the yellow orange on the color wheel. Please guys, when applying, don't forget to wash your brushes before mixing another color. So now we go on to mixing yellow plus green, which will give us yellow green. Then we move on to the fourth tertiary color, which is blue plus green, to give us a blue-green color. Then we move on to the application of the fifth tertiary color, which is red plus purple, to give us a red-purple color. Then we move on to mixing the last tertiary color, which is blue plus purple, to give us blue purple. So guys, we're done with the tertiary colors, which are the red orange, yellow green, blue purple and red purple. So guys, we've been successfully able to finish our color wheel, and I'm going further to talk about the other color combinations I said I was going to talk about, such as the complementary colors, the analogous colors and the neutral color. The complementary colors are simply colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. Colors such as green and red, they are complementary colors. Orange and blue, they are complementary colors. Purple and yellow, they are complementary colors, because these colors sit opposite each other on the color wheel. You can use these colors because they complement each other, or because they are just colors that go together. Next, I'm going to be talking about analogous colors. Analogous colors are colors that sit beside each other on the color wheel. Color such as orange, red orange, yellow orange, these are analogous color because they sit next to each other on the color wheel. Then we have the green, blue, green, yellow, green are also analogous color. Then next we have the purple, red purple, and blue purple. These are all analogous color. So next color I'm going to be talking about are the neutral colors. The neutral colors are colors that don't appear on the color wheel. They are colors that don't appear on the color wheel. They include black, white, and gray. And all these neutral colors are used to create shades, tints, and tones. So what I mean by shades are those dark colors that are gotten by mixing black to that color. For instance, maroon is a shade of red because a black has been added to red to give it maroon, so it becomes a shade of red. And also navy blue is also a shade of blue because black has been added. So when you hear tint of a particular color, it means that white has been added to that color to give it the tint of that color. For instance, pink is a tint of red simply because white has been added to red to give it pink. You get me? And what other color will I use? Sky blue, or light blue rather. Light blue is a tint of blue. So next I'm going to be talking about the tones. Tones is a mixture of white and black in equal proportion, or you can just say tone is a mixture of gray. Creating tones, you have to be careful so you don't mix too much white and black because it ends up giving you a dirty color. So guys, I'm happy we were able to cover the color wheel, like we're able to do the basics on the color wheel, and I hope you guys learned something and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like and share, and please turn on your notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Till next time, bye.